Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Facebook and signing in so you have full access to results. Once logged in, tap the search bar at the top. That's your entry point. Type a person's name, a page, or a keyword tied to the photo, and choose the type filter like people or posts to narrow results. Doing this first prevents noise. It focuses your search on the likely source before you dig into images or timelines for the photo you need. Once you have initial results, refine them using available filters. Choose photos or posts to isolate images. Click a profile or page result and switch to their Photos tab to scan uploads directly. If you get too many hits, add a location, month, or mutual friend to your keywords so results become more precise. Make sure to check both tagged and uploaded photos since the image might be in either. This step reduces hunting. When you find a candidate photo, open it to view captions, tags, and the timestamp so you can verify context and authenticity. Save or bookmark the photo if you need it later, and use share or message to ask the owner permission before reuse. If you can't find it, make sure privacy settings aren't hiding content, try alternate name spellings or date ranges. And as a last resort, perform a reverse image search outside Facebook to locate reposts or original sources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.